The H1B Guy here, and today, the H1B Guy forecasts. January 2024 Visa Bulletin Employment Based Predictions. It's the first of the month, and it means it's time for monthly Visa Bulletin predictions. Before we get started, I'd like to ask you, if you haven't already, to please subscribe to the H1B Guy channel here on YouTube and like this video so that I can continue to produce more content like this for you. And I also wanted to mention that H1B Guy offers a variety of consulting services. I help businesses and individuals solve complex work authorization issues in the recruitment process while bringing awareness to employment-based immigration benefits. If I can help you, please reach out. I'd love to hear how. And you can book an appointment directly with me via the h1bguy.com. Today's post is brought to you by Syndesis and Path to Canada, the ideal plan B for high-skilled immigrants currently located in the U.S. whose status may be uncertain, by PERM-Ads.com, the industry leader in providing a seamless experience for employers and immigration attorneys navigating the complex PERM recruitment ad phase of the labor certification process, and by Mob Squad. Are you a technology professional facing U.S. work visa-related challenges? Don't leave your fate up to chance. Our partner Mob Squad has the solution. Join the squad. Well, thanks to everyone who checked out the H1B Guy forecasts, December 2023 Visa Bulletin employment-based predictions that posted on November 1st, and the H1B Guy grades, December 2023 Visa Bulletin predictions versus the actual bulletin released that posted on November 13th, where I reviewed my December forecast. For those of you new to this channel, I cover employment-based immigration benefits, including my monthly Visa Bulletin predictions. Last month, I graded out at 74%, 20 out of 27. I'll continue to use the Visa Bulletin from 6 months prior, as well as last month's bulletin to determine if there are any noticeable trends. Starting with the December 2023 Visa Bulletin's number of days forward movement month over month, as well as the number of days of forward movement over the last 6 months from the July 2023 Visa Bulletin. So let's jump into the results from the December 2023 Visa Bulletin for final action dates in India and EB1, January 1st, 2017. No forward movement month over month. 1,857 days of retrogression in the last 6 months. EB2, January 1st, 2012. No forward movement month over month. 365 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. EB3, May 1st, 2012. No forward movement month over month. 1,216 days in the last 6 months. For final action dates for China and EB1, February 15th, 2022. No forward movement month over month. 14 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. EB2, October 22nd, 2019. 21 days of forward movement month over month. 136 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. And EB3, January 22nd, 2020, 21 days of forward movement month over month, 296 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. For final action dates for Philippines and EB2, July 15th, 2022, no forward movement month over month, 150 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. For Philippines EB3 other workers, May 1st, 2020, no forward movement month over month, 121 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. For final action dates for all chargeability in EB2, July 15th, 2022, no forward movement month over month, 150 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. EB3, December 1st, 2021, no forward movement month over month, 62 days of retrogression in the last 6 months. And EB3 other workers, August 1st, 2020, no forward movement month over month, 213 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. And all chargeability EB4, January 1st, 2019, no forward movement month over month, 122 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. And final action dates for Mexico in EB4, January 1st, 2019, no forward movement month over month, 122 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. Moving on to dates of filing for India in EB1, July 1st, 2019, no forward movement month over month, 1,066 days of retrogression in the last 6 months. EB2, May 15th, 2012. No forward movement month over month, 14 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. And EB3, August 1st, 2012. No forward movement month over month, no forward movement in the last 6 months. For dates of filing for China in EB1, August 1st, 2022. No forward movement month over month, 61 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. EB2, January 1st, 2020. No forward movement month over month, 177 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. And EB3, September 1st, 2020. No forward movement month over month, 92 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. For dates filing for Philippines and EB2, January 1st, 2023. No forward movement month over month, 31 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. For EB3 other workers, May 15th, 2020. No forward movement month over month, 104 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. For dates filing for all chargeability in EB2, January 1st, 2023. No forward movement month over month, 31 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. EB3, February 1st, 2023. No forward movement month over month, 89 days of retrogression in the last 6 months. For EB3 other workers, December 15th, 2020. No forward movement month over month, 318 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. And EB4, March 1st, 2019. No forward movement month over month, 151 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. And for dates filing for Mexico in EB4, March 1st, 2019. No forward movement month over month, 151 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. So with all of that being said, let's forecast the January 2024 Visa Bulletin for employment-based preferences. Disclaimer, these dates are completely made-up guesses based on my own personal hunches and historical data. For the January 2024 Visa Bulletin, the H1B Guy forecasts final action dates for India in EB1, April 1st, 2017, EB2, January 1st, 2012, EB3, May 1st, 2012. For final action dates for China in EB1, April 1st, 2022, EB2, November 8th, 2019, EB3, February 8th, 2020. Final action dates for Philippines in EB2, September 1st, 2022. EB3 other workers, May 1st, 2020. For final action dates for all chargeability in EB2, September 1st, 2022. EB3, December 1st, 2021. EB3 other workers, August 1st, 2020. And EB4, January 1st, 2019. And for final action dates for Mexico in EB4, January 1st, 2019. Moving on to dates of filing for the January 2024 Visa Bulletin, I forecast for India in EB1, July 1st, 2019, EB2, May 15th, 2012, EB3, August 1st, 2012. For dates filing for China in EB1, August 1st, 2022, EB2, January 1st, 2020, EB3, September 1st, 2020. For dates filing for Philippines in EB2, February 1st, 2023, EB3 other workers, May 15th, 2020. For dates of filing for all chargeability in EB2, February 1st, 2023, EB3, February 1st, 2023, EB3 other workers, December 15th, 2020, and EB4, March 1st, 2019. And wrapping up with dates filing for Mexico in EB4, March 1st, 2019. So to recap, I'm forecasting forward movement for final election dates in India EB1, China EB1, EB2, and EB3, as well as Philippines EB2 and all chargeability EB2. Now it's time to forecast the release date of the January 2024 Visa Bulletin. I'm predicting Tuesday, December 12th, 2023 as the release date of the January 2024 Visa Bulletin, with Wednesday, December 13th, 2023, and Thursday, December 14th, 2023 as my second and third options. So, recapping those release dates again: Tuesday, December 12th, 2023, Wednesday, December 13th, 2023, and Thursday, December 14th, 2023. Once the January 2024 Visa Bulletin is released, I'll put together the H1B Guy grades to see how I did with my predictions for them. For the full post on the H1B Guy forecast, January 2024 Visa Bulletin employment based predictions, please check out the H1BGuy.com. And a reminder that today's post is brought to you by Syndesus and Path to Canada, the ideal plan B for high skilled immigrants currently located in the U.S. whose status may be uncertain. If you're facing an H1B denial or OPT expiration, don't get caught off guard. Make sure you have a plan B, and Syndesus and Path to Canada are your answers. They'll gladly help you navigate the process. If you'd like to find out if you qualify, please be sure to use the link in the video description below, and someone from Syndesus or Path to Canada will be in touch. By PERM-Ads.com, the industry leader in providing a seamless experience for employers and immigration attorneys navigating the complex PERM recruitment ad phase of the labor certification process. If you're looking to reduce your costs and overhead associated with PERM labor certification recruitment advertising, let PERM-Ads.com help you. And by Mob Squad. Are you a technology professional facing U.S. work visa related challenges? Don't leave your fate up to chance. Our partner Mob Squad has a solution. Mob Squad helps technology professionals facing U.S. work visa related uncertainty remain working with their current U.S. employer nearshore from Canada, as well as technology professionals from around the world who are seeking to find a rewarding opportunity in North America. Through their partnership with the Canadian government, they can obtain a Canadian work permit for you and your spouse in little as 4 to 6 weeks. So, whether you're looking to stay working with your current U.S. employer or you want to find a new opportunity in Canada, please find out how the team at Mob Squad can help you via the link in the video description below. Join the squad. Just wanted to ask you again to please like this video, subscribe to the H1B Guy channel here on YouTube, and click the bell for notifications so that you're notified anytime we post new content here to this channel. If you've made it this far, I just want to say thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I really appreciate your support. The H1B Guy, your global source for all things H1B.